loss chicken soup. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite clear chicken soup which is completely oil free and perfect to warm yourself during monsoons or winters. So without much ado, let's get started with the recipe. Into my pressure cooker I have already added 250 grams of bone-in chicken, that is chicken with bones, and into that I'm adding in 3 cups of water, half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, and now close the cooker and place the weight. Once the whistle comes, put the flame on the lowest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, once the pressure has released by itself, open the cooker and you can see that the chicken has cooked thoroughly. And now strain this into another pan. Remove the chicken pieces from the bone and add it into the strained chicken stock. Now switch on the flame and heat the pan with the chicken stock. Add in 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, and give this all a mix. Bring this to a boil on medium flame, and while the chicken stock is heating up, I have 1 ear of fresh sweet corn which I am slicing into half, and with a knife I am removing the corn kernels. Add this into the chicken stock and allow it to get cooked for about 5 minutes. Once it starts to boil, put the flame on the lowest. And once the corn is getting cooked, I am chopping up a small stalk of celery and a small stalk of green onion, which is more popularly known as spring onion here in Kerala. I'm chopping both the green and white part of green onion, and it's roughly about 1 tablespoon of chopped celery and spring onion. Now remove about half cup of chicken stock and keep it aside and allow it to cool down. Add in about 1 to 1.5 tablespoon cornflour into the cooled stock and give it a mix. Do not add cornflour to hot stock as it will form into thick lumps and may not mix well. In another katori, I have 2 egg whites and I'm lightly whisking the egg whites with a fork. Pour the cornflour mixed chicken stock into the simmering soup. Mix it very well, and once the cornflour is cooked, the soup will slightly thicken. Add in the chopped celery stock and the chopped spring onion. Give it a stir. Remember to keep the flame on the lowest all through the cooking. Pour in the whisked egg whites, and as soon as you add the egg whites in thin stream, mix the soup with the ladle, and that will help the egg to form into thin noodle-like in the soup. Sprinkle in about 1/3 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper is considered as an important healing spice. Black pepper has essential nutrients like manganese, potassium, iron, dietary fiber, vitamin C and K. It has antibacterial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And my healthy oil-free sweet corn chicken soup is ready to serve. Switch off the flame and serve the soup hot. If you like to see more such recipes, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.